It's the 30th July, around 4:30 p.m. a calm Wednesday afternoon. I just finished my study, took a shower, and there is tea in my hand. And the weather is not very hot. It's little gloomy outside. So I'm not in a rush today. So I thought let's just sit down and plan my August. And if you're also craving such fresh start and like a calm reset, I think this video can help you. So the things you need for this is a pen, is a diary, and of course like a hot beverage if you want. And if you want to do it digitally, you can use Notes app, but I prefer do it in your diary or journal or any notebook because it's more fun. Okay, so you will be also needing a like calendar, an August calendar, digitally or physically. I have like a physical calendar with me because I can't use my like phone wala calendar because I only shoot from my phone. So yeah, that's my calendar. The first thing you need to do is check your period dates. You can use your regular calendar or else like you can use any period tracker app. I use a app called like Flow app, and first thing I check is my period dates, and I'll be menstruating from 16th of August to like 20th of August. But usually I only bleed for 3 days or 4 days, so I'm resting from 16th to 18th. But before my period starts, usually before 2 to 3 days, my body becomes very weak. I become so fragile, and my body pain that's unbearable. So I'll be resting in my home like all day, chilling, of course scrolling some like Insta and online shopping. So I have only 12 days to be fully productive, like for the first half of the month. So yeah, so I'll be resting from 13th to 18th. That's 5 days straight. So yeah, so for the first 12 days I'll go to my library, study, and do all my hobbies, go out, have some fun. But for these 5 days I'll be completely chilling at home, and I'll do some low intensity hobbies. I can do that, and I'll be sharing that with like on my other videos. And for now, and from 19th to 31st of August, I have again my like rest of the days I can like continue with my normal life. So yeah, that's my whole productive plan कि किस दिन पे like I'm going to be super productive, and किस दिन पे I'm not going to be productive. Like it's only for 5 days, and this month has like 31 days. I तो deserve like at least 5 to 6 days na, like to like rest and do nothing and just bed rot obviously. So ये हो गया like मेरा productive वाला thing. Yeah. I'm going to apply henna on my hair on the 2nd of August. That's Saturday. Yes. And next, I'm going to do one pedicure in this month. I'll be doing that in my period because that makes me feel good. That makes me feel so cozy and comfortable. So I'm going to do a pedicure on the like 18th of August. That's Monday. Okay. So I'm also going to do a like whole body scrub and shaving once in a month. So it's going to be on the like 13th of August, and I am going to apply the homemade face pack at least thrice this month, and it's always on the Sundays. Okay, so I'm going to apply that like 5 times a month. So on every Sundays, and my skin has some pores and some textures. So multani mitti and coffee wala jo face pack, that really helps me with that. So yeah, I'm going to do apply that. So the next thing I have to plan is the books I'm going to read this month. So this month I want to finish at least 3 books, and I'm currently reading the Days at Morisaki Bookshop. It's really cozy and comfortable. So I'll be finishing that by this week maybe. Yes. And the next book I'm going to study is a book I left in April. That's called Before the Coffee Gets Cold. It's very famous, but I think I started that, but it got little boring, so I left that in between. I'll finish that in this month, and the next book I'll be reading is I'll be reading The Courage to Be Disliked, one self-help book at least. So yeah, these are the books I'm going to read this month, and maybe I'll go to one movie date, solo movie date. I hope good movies release kare wo log, because these movies are really boring, and let's hope for the best. Maybe I'll go on a 31st August on the last Sunday. Let's let's plan the solo dates. I told, I want at least 3 solo dates this month. So one solo date I'm going to a art gallery, as I told before. That's on the 3rd of August, and I'm also going to an movie day. That's for the 31st or else 7/24. Depends ki if they are going to put a really good movie in the theater, then I'm going to watch. Yeah, one movie date, one art gallery date, and then I think for once this month I want to go to a beautiful park. I have so many parks in my town. I'm going to sit there for at least 2 hours, watch the nature from very close, and maybe I'll make some cute little flower buckets. I'll click some pictures, and hopefully it doesn't rain, because I don't like rain that much. I'm sorry, but it makes me feel little uncomfortable. Yeah, I can watch a rainy sky from my window, but I don't like to get wet. Yes. So I have planned multiple things in this video for August. First, the productive days. I decided my productive days of the months, and which I'm going to make the most out of it. And next, I decided my resting days. For my late luteal days and early period days, I'm going to completely rest. And my fun Sunday dates: one movie date, one park date, one art gallery date, or one just simply a coffee date. I only want at least 3 solo dates this month, and 2 festive days, one Rakhi and one Ganesh Puja. And I really want to look cute, wear my cotton kurtis, cotton anarkalis, and get ready, wear my bangles, and click some beautiful pictures and spend that time with my loved ones. And next, I also decided the books I'm going to read this month. That's one is my the Days at Morisaki Bookshop, Before the Coffee Gets Cold, and the Courage to Be Disliked. 3 books I'm going to read. Yeah, and I also decided the hobbies and the low intensity things I'm going to this month. like I'm not sure, or maybe I'll going to paint something big canvas things. I'll definitely share that if I do. And I'll paint my nails, do my pedicure. I also decided my hair care and like applying henna, doing pedicure, doing nails, doing my facial or face packs that I'm going to do. I think that's pretty much it. And yeah, these are the things if I'm going to do it like very religiously. Trust me, like my August is going to be very productive and very calm and not overwhelming. And yes, at the end of the month, like I'll feel very like energetic. Yes, I did a lots of things this month, and I'm not going to feel bad about anything and not regret ki, yes, I wasted like one more month of the year. So yeah, if you like want similar like fresh feeling of a new month and that productiveness, calmness in your daily life with peace, then maybe you can add these ideas to your like August planning. And the day I'll post it maybe on the 31st July. So yeah, make sure you plan your August too, or no problem, like if it reaches little late, you can still plan your day and month and week, because it's all yours. And do not rush and enjoy the little moments, because these are the moments we are never going to getting back. So yeah, the next video I am going to post is my Sunday vlog, the things I do in my Sunday and the things I did in my Sunday on the last Sunday. That's the 21st July. I did a like mini solo movie date for the first time and all that stuff. I'll be posting that on the Sunday. Make sure you watch that too. Bye bye.